Welcome to our weekly space launch roundup. Week 13 has been filled with an exciting bunch of missions from around the world, so let's dive into the details. On March 28th, SpaceX continued its Starlink deployment with a successful launch of Starlink Group 6 to 46 mission. The mission aboard the Falcon 9 Block 5 rocket lifted off from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. The Falcon 9's first stage, designated B1067, performed flawlessly, landing on the drone ship Of Course I Still Love You. Yes, stationed out in the Atlantic Ocean. The payload of 48 Starlink satellites will join the constellation, providing a global internet coverage, paving the way for future space-based services. Moving on to March 30th, we witnessed the launch from China's space program. The Long March 6A rocket took to the skies from the Satellite Launch Center, carrying the second Yujiang free satellite. This satellite is part of China's efforts to enhance its meteorological and environmental monitoring capabilities. Excuse me. The Long March 6 is a solid fuel rocket and is known for its reliability and cost effectiveness in launching small payloads into orbit. SpaceX once again stole the spotlight with the launch of the Eutelsat 36D, riding atop of a Falcon 9 Block 5 rocket. This communication satellite was deployed into a geostationary transfer orbit, making another successful partnership between SpaceX and Eutelsat. The Falcon 9's second stage executed a precise orbital insertion, placing the satellite on its path to provide broadcasting and broadband services to Europe, the Middle East, and Africa.
3, 2, 1, ignition, and liftoff of Falcon 9. Go Eutelsat, go Falcon.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Finally, on March 31st, SpaceX concluded the week with yet another Starlink launch. Starlink Group 6 to 45 missions saw another batch of 48 satellites launch into orbit aboard a Falcon 9. This mission, like its predecessors, aims to expand the global internet as with the other previous missions, and it will hopefully especially serve underserved and remote areas. With this launch, SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of space-based internet connectivity, bringing the world closer together. Also on Sunday, we saw a launch of a Soyuz rocket from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan, launching an imagery satellite into orbit. As we marvel at these incredible achievements, let's take a moment to appreciate the dedication and hard work of the teams behind these missions. The exploration of space truly knows no bounds, and with each launch, we inch closer to a future where space is accessible to all. That rounds up our roundup for this week's space launches. Be sure to subscribe for more updates as we continue to explore the cosmos together. And finally, if you have been, thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Yeah.